So here we are, YouTube, in Lake Valor. We have a mission here. There are some magic arms. I hope they are not dead or they're just flopping around. This is what you have to do after you beat Myron. You have to go to Lake Valor. Okay. Glameo is down and the Krogan is also down. Let's see. These magic arms are very weak. I don't know what Team Galactic wants again. We will find out soon. He has Golbat. I go for the takedown. That doesn't take down Rampardos. Now, and a Krogan. Let's go for the dig. And Krogan is down. Let's fight the rest of the Team Plasma members here. If you were in my place, you would suck Krogan. I'm very close to 34. I will go to 34 now after beating this Beautifly and the Dustox. Okay. Bye bye Dustox. Let's send out Toxicroak. My Krogan is finally Toxicroak. There is one member here. He doesn't want to battle. Let's get inside to see what's going on. We're going to have a battle with this guy. That's great. He's having Kadabra. I go for the Sucker Punch. That takes Kadabra out. Toxicroak, okay, Mad Bomb, almost KO, and Bonjour. Let's switch out because I have a double weakness to Psychic. Let's send out Apollon. She didn't even go for a Psychic attack anyway. I go for the set, it survives, but it's down now. Okay. I don't know what's going on here. The Team Plasma members are still here, so let's go to talk to Professor Owen. He's sitting here in Twinleaf Town, in the first town of our journey. So let's go to report him what we found there on Lake Valor. Here we are, and there are also a lot of Team Galactic members. We have to help Dawn. Where is Dawn? Okay, that's great. We're going to get some experience points. Let's battle these two guys. They have 4 Pokemon. Brick Break versus this one and Surf versus this one. Surf hurts both Pokemon on the battle, but actually it restores Toxicroak. He has Golbat, okay, Sucker Punch, and Surf. That's great, Empoleon and Toxicroak make a perfect combination. Brick, and it is down. Let's go to battle these guys. Okay. They are having also 4 Pokemon. Sucker Punch versus Beautifly. Surf to both. Beautifly down. And so is Stanky. Empoleon is 39. Whirlpool, no, Whirlpool sucks. Glameo and Glameo. Brick Break and Surf. go here. Let's talk to this lady here. I guess we are going to battle her. Okay, that's great. She's having 3 Pokemon. The first one is Golbat. I go for the Sucker Punch, but it fails. Now I can't touch him. Let's send out Kadabra. Side him to the face. Golbat is down. Next one is Purugly. I will send out Toxicroak again. He puts me to sleep and goes for the slash. Oh, he did a lot. Let's send out Empoleon. This Purugly is good. It is actually very fast. Let's go for the Surf. And another Surf. And the Bonzor. That survives. Those are pretty bad Pokemon. We beat it here. Yes, you lost again. They are pulling out. Okay. I don't know what she's talking about, but we will find out soon. What's my next Lake Acuity? Lake Acuity. Okay, where is Lake Acuity? It is here. So we have. This is going to happen on our next